buongiorno from another day in Rome. Finally, I can take you to the center of the city. You probably have seen the center in pictures and videos everywhere, so I hope to show you a little bit and of course we're having lunch, probably some pasta, so nothing new about that. And well, you will see how beautiful the streets are. They are so historical, and let's see, I will show you. There are quite many tourists because it is the 1st of January, and of course Rome is probably one of the main destinations that people go to when it's New Year's Eve, Italians and non-Italians, but it's still worth visiting, and the center is very big, so there's a wide choice of places to go to. Going to Campo dei Fiori. It's very beautiful. Let's see how it is. Buongiorno, we are here at Villa Borghese. It is one of the biggest parks in Rome, and it's one of my favorites. And I live in Milan usually, so I really miss parks and the green and the sunny weather. So let's go and see how Villa Borghese looks like. How beautiful is this clock? It's very ancient and it's right on the lake. Okay, now I will take you to a place with a very beautiful view. You will love it. So many people come here to exercise in the morning, or to have a run, or to grab a coffee. That's what I usually do. Not really running, but mostly for the coffee. As I told you before, now we're reaching the beautiful view, and you will understand why. I will show you. Okay, I just stopped here to grab a coffee. We are right next to the Villa Borghese, and this is actually a museum. I will show you the bar in the museum. It's very beautiful, and let's go and have a coffee together. This is really a nice place, and there is history everywhere, like statues, and look over here. It is a really nice place to grab a coffee. Okay, so this is it for today's video, and it was a bit short, but I think it was worth showing you a little bit what Villa Borghese is, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!